All right, let's talk about the experience of Brahman and what that's like. When you're experiencing Brahman, you're experiencing yourself as this one singular awareness that's projecting this light of knowledge. What is this light of knowledge? Every single moment that you're experiencing right now is just a moment that you're aware of. You could be aware of being on your phone. You could be aware of talking to someone. You could be aware of walking somewhere. You could be aware of many different things. But being aware of something is something that you're aware of in that exact moment. And every moment is constantly changing. Every moment is distinct from each other moment. And that's the only reason you can call a moment a specific moment. It's because you can distinguish one moment from another. That's the only way change can be experienced. The thing is, when you're experiencing these different moments, each moment that is experienced, one after the other, is almost the exact same, but not exactly. There's just one small distinction that allows it to form a linear progression of events. And that constant unfolding of moments after moments causes a chain of cause and effects, causes an entire appearance to unfold. And because your attention is immersed in that unfolding, you now interpret there to be actual change. And because you interpret there to be actual change, you interpret there to be time and space, which is just the unfolding of different moments. Now, each moment is something that's happening in your awareness right now. Because there is only one awareness, that means there is only truly one moment. But because things appear to be separate, it now feels like this moment has turned into many different moments. When you're in extreme depths of meditative inquiry, you start to see that these moments, these specific moments that you're aware of starts to flash. It starts to be seen as this projecting that's just projecting. Now, when it's projecting, it doesn't mean that this projection is projecting outward, as if this projecting is going out into time and space. It's just a sudden flash of knowledge that appears to be projecting out there when it really isn't.